Welcome to the Must-Have Essential Garden Tools for Beginners in 2025 series. If you're new to gardening or looking to improve your setup, this series has covered all the essential tools you need to get started. In this final episode, we're focusing on one of the most valuable additions to any garden: a greenhouse. A greenhouse allows you to create the perfect growing environment, extending your planting season and protecting your crops from harsh weather conditions. Setting up a greenhouse might seem challenging, but with the right approach, it can be a simple and rewarding project. Let's dive straight into the setup process. The first step is choosing the right location for your greenhouse. It should be placed in an area that gets plenty of sunlight, preferably facing south or southeast to maximize morning light. Avoid shaded spots under trees or buildings, as plants inside the greenhouse need consistent sunlight to thrive. Good drainage is essential, so select a flat area where water won't pool after heavy rainfall. If you can, place your greenhouse near a water source to make irrigation more convenient. With the location sorted, let's move on to assembling the greenhouse structure. A greenhouse frame can be made from materials like wood, aluminum, steel, or PVC, each offering different levels of durability and cost. The covering is just as important. It traps heat and creates the controlled environment plants need to flourish. Polycarbonate panels, polyethylene sheets, or glass are the most common options, with polycarbonate offering great insulation and durability. Secure the covering tightly to prevent heat loss, and ensure proper airflow with vents or windows. Now that the frame and covering are in place, let's talk about why this setup is so useful. A greenhouse helps protect your plants from extreme temperatures, strong winds, heavy rain, and frost. It also allows you to grow plants that wouldn't usually survive in your local climate, giving you more variety in your garden. With temperature and humidity control, you can start seedlings earlier in the year and keep harvesting crops long after the outdoor growing season ends. Back to the setup. Flooring is another key part of your greenhouse structure. You can use gravel for drainage, concrete for a stable base, or wooden planks for a more natural look. Shelving and plant benches will help maximize space, keeping plants organized and ensuring proper air circulation. Ventilation is crucial to prevent overheating and fungal diseases. Installing roof vents, side vents, or small fans will help regulate temperature and humidity levels. A good watering system will make greenhouse maintenance much easier. You can use a drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to plant roots, or a misting system for plants that need high humidity. A simple hose or watering can also work, but automation saves time and effort. With the structure complete and all essential systems in place, your greenhouse is ready for planting. You can grow a wide range of vegetables, herbs, and flowers, even during the colder months. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and leafy greens thrive in a greenhouse environment. Herbs like basil, mint, and thyme will flourish with the warmth and humidity control. If you love flowers, you can grow orchids, roses, and lilies all year round. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your greenhouse in top shape. Check for pests, clean the panels to allow maximum sunlight, and monitor temperature and humidity regularly. With proper care, your greenhouse will be a long-term investment in a healthy and productive garden. And that brings us to the end of our Essential Garden Tools series. We've covered everything you need to start and maintain a thriving garden in 2025. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. There's plenty more gardening content coming your way, so stay tuned. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.